That's right, folks. It's the Vagrant's Valet. And guess what we're going to do tonight? Get excited and stay excited. We've got a very special, action-packed episode for you. I've got the Vagrant's Valet command vehicle loaded up with all kinds of food, all kinds of goodies, all thanks to your channel donations. Let's see what we're going to go out and give the homeless tonight. Are you ready? I thought you were. Let's see. We have some excellent looking nice chicken dinners. There's some pork dinners in there too. Ding ding. Look at that. Big old full bag of unopened Doritos for some lucky person. We've got Pop-Tarts. Look at the Pop-Tarts. A little bit of dessert, of course. What else do we have here? Big old thing of cookies. And, oh, look at this. A nice thing of nice fresh strawberries, right? A little fresh fruit for everybody. So now we're gonna go ahead and I'm organized. I have some Coca-Colas. They're not Diet Pepsi, but they're still tasty. Now, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get into the command vehicle right along this with me, will you folks? And we're gonna go out and we're gonna help out the down and out. Ding ding.
How you doing?
You doing all right?
I am.
You want some dinner? I got some nice chicken dinners here.
Oh, I do.
Come on around. Watch the traffic.
Well, I gotta pull right in there.
All right, hold on.
Okay.
Hey there, you hungry? You want a dinner?
Yes.
Thank you.
What is it?
Right,
You know, I was just
here.
thinking about you today.
Here you go. I'm Zook. I'm Zook. You want to come around here? Come over this way. Come here.
Zook.
Yeah, here you go. Well, hang on. Let's Here you go. There you go. How's that? How's that going here? Yeah, you can have a Coke there. What's your name?
Summer.
Summer? Yeah. Are you living on the street, or what do you got going on?
My boyfriend went to jail yesterday, so now I'm
Why did he go to jail?
He violated his probation. He went to court and everything, and they took him to jail from there.
Yeah, you can have a Pop-Tart. You hungry, man?
Thank you so
It's sad.
How about you want a pork dinner there for you? Yeah, there you go. And how about you like strawberries?
Sure.
Yeah, how about some nice fresh fruit there for you? Does that look good? What's your name, please?
Pop-Tart.
Oh, yeah. Why don't you grab a Pop-Tart? I'll tell you what. What's your name, please?
My name is Mike.
Mike, I'll tell you what. Grab 2 of those, Mike, and then give one to somebody back there. Go ahead and pass it on. Well, no, just get 2 so we got her.
I mean, it's 5. It's like 7 people back there.
How about just 2, brother?
I'm downstairs. Can I get one more?
Yeah, there
I've
you
been
go.
working all day. Trying to get money from my man on his books and
Oh.
he'll be there for like 2 weeks to 2 months. But I'm sleeping on the church porch, so I'll be
There you
okay.
go.
God's got me on the porch.
Yeah, you can have 2.
If I go to the porch, God will watch me.
Okay.
It's in his neighborhood, so.
Hey, come on. Somebody else wants something to eat right now.
Okay. Come over on this side, please. Hey, what's your name? You hungry?
Tree. Thank you, Tree.
How about a nice pork dinner here for you?
I don't really. Okay, thank you.
You want a pork dinner?
Pork.
What do we want here? Oh yeah, are you in the mood for dessert?
Yes. Pop-Tarts.
Okay, there's a Pop-Tart for you. Hey, what's your name? There you go.
Don't throw chocolate in my face, dude.
There, can you come over to this side, please?
Oh.
Okay.
Not quite as mentally.
Okay. There you go. Here. Yeah, you want to come over to this side? Here, I'll tell you what. I got a nice. If you want to come over on this side, I got a nice thing of cookies here.
Don't throw cookies on my face again. I don't like cookies or sweets.
Oh, what's your name, please?
Don't get my name out to too many people. You're gonna use it against me.
I'm not gonna use anything against you. Here, take the whole thing and give them to everybody. Okay.
But you got to work with me about.
Hey, well, thank you. I got one more dinner here. Who wants a dinner? Okay. All right, a couple pops here. Got a couple pops. Okay, there you go. Get a pop, one for everybody. What?
Mind take it back since you
There
got
you
so
go.
much.
All right, I gotta go. I'll get a sure can. What's your name, please? Okay, we'll see you later. Oh, sorry. Hey there, you doing okay? Did you get some dinner? I got some free food if you want some. What's your name, please?
Jennifer.
Jennifer.
Yeah.
There you go. There's a
Thank you.
pork dinner, and how about a Coca-Cola to wash it
Yeah.
does that
Thank
sound
you.
good? And how about a Pop-Tart for dessert?
Yeah, thank you.
Are you living on the street, or
Yeah.
are things going okay, or?
I gotta go. Sorry.
Okay, see you later.
Shaggy.
Shaggy.
There you go.
There you go. Hey, did you get some dinner?
Yeah, I'll take some popcorn.
Okay. Is anybody else back there? Does it?
No, they're pretty much done. Yeah, antifreeze leak going on.
I do.
I smell it.
Yeah, you know what? This thing overheated like crazy the other day, and I took it in. Are you a mechanic, or do you have some experience, that kind of thing? How's your week been? Anything good happening, or has things been a struggle, or?
It's been a struggle, man.
Is it? All right. Well, hey, I'm rooting for you, bud.
Thank you.
Be good. Hey, brother, you hungry? You want some dinner? You want a? How about a pop? You want a pop? Yeah. You living on the streets? I got some dessert here. You want some dessert? Maybe a Pop-Tart? Yeah. You doing all right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your name, please?
Cody.
Cody?
Yeah.
Okay, Cody. Hey, good luck to you, man.
Okay.
All right, see you later. Hey, man, you guys hungry? You want a dinner? Or man, I got some dessert? You doing okay? How about a nice pork dinner there?
Sure.
Does that look good? And how about you want maybe a Pop-Tart for?
Sure, why not?
Yeah. What's your name, please?
Jennifer.
Hey, brother, you hungry? You want dinner? Oh, how you doing? You want a how about a sausage dinner? Yeah. What's your name, please? Tyler. Are you doing? You want a Coke to wash it down with, as we say here in Southern Indiana?
Yeah, right on.
And how about a Pop-Tart for dessert? Does that sound good?
What's we got?
Yeah. Are you living on the street?
Yeah, living on the street.
Yeah. You doing okay?
I'm hanging in there.
Yeah. You got anybody you can call or anything? Or are you staying at the mission, or? Okay.
I'm on the street. I mean, I sleep out here. I sleep right there.
Okay. All right. Well, there's a fork in there for you, Tyler.
Right on.
Hey, glad to help out, bud.
What's your name?
I'm Zook.
Zook?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Right on. Good luck to you, bud. There's that of them.
You know what? I got some, what is that stuff called? Hummus?
Hummus.
I got hummus. You gotta give me some potato chips, I'll give you some hummus.
Oh,
You want me to grab it?
You want to barter?
Let's do it.
What about your friend? Does he need dinner? You hungry? Yeah. What's your name, please?
Red.
Ray. How about a
Red.
nice Red? Okay. Well, how about a nice dinner there for you? There's a fork in there. There's some bread. That's pork, I believe. Little Pop-Tart there. Are you from? How about you want
Did I get a...
Coca-Cola there? You know what? I'll tell you what. I'll give you 2 Cokes, red, and then that way you have one to give to somebody.
Thank you.
Are you living on the streets here, or how long you been homeless?
On and off, basically, since I was 18.
Since you're 18?
I'm not even from here, though.
Where are you from?
New York, originally.
Oh.
I left New York, though, in 2013.
Are they crazy in New York?
It can be. Everywhere. It's crazy wherever.
Well, how'd you wind up in Bloomington, Indiana from New York?
Long story short, I got a charge and was on probation.
You were like a bank robber or something, were you?
I just got blacked out drunk and I called a cop.
Oh, yeah. Did you do some time in the can for that one?
Only like 6 months.
Really? Was it just like the county jail, or was it the big house?
Never done prison.
No? Huh.
But the Blue Eye sunglasses, I like those.
Oh, you want to try them on? Let's... Whoop. How do they look? You look groovy. You look like kind of like Ginger Baker from. Oops. Sorry about that. You kind of look like Ginger Baker from the band Cream. You remember Eric Clapton,
yeah.
Ginger Baker, and Jack Bruce was the bass player. Dum 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 dum. So, are you ever going back to New York? You think, or?
Last time I was in New York was 2017, and I'm never going back.
Were you there when the planes flew into the Twin Towers?
I'm not from the city. I'm from Long Island, but I was there.
Oh, I think Lou Reed wrote a song about that. I think "Walk on the Wild Side" is.
I'm not sure if you know the band System of a Down.
Oh yeah.
They wrote a song called "Chop Suey."
Chop Suey.
Yeah, and in the song, the original name of the song was called "Self-Righteous Suicide," but after September 11th, they changed it because people were jumping out the buildings and all.
Oh man. Yeah. Well, what's
I've been in the towers before they fell too.
You were in those towers?
Not when they fell, but like a year before that.
Did you have any friends that got killed in anything? What do you got planned for the summer? Or you got any hope on getting a place to live, or?
I have no idea.
The Bloomington Housing Authority. You can get housing through the government around here. You might want to take a look at that. So.
Yeah, I just gotta get my gene all that.
Yeah, I know sometimes that could be tough. So. What's that? Well, you got to come here and be nice to me.
I dropped mine.
Okay. Remember, these things are courtesy of the donors for my YouTube channel, the Vagrant's Valet. So it's because because of their generosity. We're able to, and the generosity. Let's not forget the big boy upstairs.
Thank you. Are you on your camera thing?
Yeah.
Are you doing your thing? Okay.
So, all right. Well, hey, you guys have a great night. Okay. Let me know if you need anything. Red, it was a pleasure meeting you. Look for me when you see me around. If I can, I'll help you out. Okay. Keep rocking, baby. Keep rocking.
It takes up the whole back seat.
Where'd you get an igloo cooler?
Huh?
Where'd you get it?
I got it down here. It was given to me, but I
You didn't steal it, did you? Didn't steal it, did you?
No.
Okay.
It's nice, but I want to sell it.
Okay.
You should buy it off me so I can have some cash.
What do you need cash for?
I mean, well, I don't need cash for everything.
You've got food.
Cigarettes, everything.
You've got food. You've got Coca-Cola. You've got my beautiful face gracing you.
You let me know if I got it.
Okay. All right. Ding ding. We'll see you later. Well, she's been on a video before, and I see her around once in a while. I forget her name, and I think I'll wait a second before I put these glasses back on. How about some pork dinners there? You want one?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. What's your name, please?
Bill.
Bill, you doing all right, Bill?
Trying to.
How about a nice? How about a Coca-Cola here? You can wash it down with. There.
He wants some.
You want some? Okay, come on over. What's your name? Jesse. How about let's see what we got here. How about sausage? You like sausage?
Yeah.
There's a sauce. There's a roll in there. Little Pop-Tart for dessert. Does that look good?
Yeah.
And hold on, you need something to wash it down with. There. How's that look? Yeah. Hey man, how are you?
All right.
You doing all right?
I've been battered, man.
Yeah. What are you living on the street, or what do you got going on?
Trying to stay in this mission here.
Oh, okay. You want to? How about a pork dinner?
Sure.
You want a pork dinner there? There's a nice roll in there for you. Little dessert. You in the mood for dessert?
Maybe not.
How about a cola to wash it down with?
Thank you very much.
Okay. Hey, don't thank me. You thank the big boy upstairs, okay? Hi. Are you hungry?
Can I just get a Coke?
Yeah, I sure can.
I'm just thirsty.
Okay, there you go. You know what? There's one for you, and I'll tell you what. What's your name, please?
Jim?
Jim, I'll tell you what. There's one to give to somebody.
All right.
Somebody else is thirsty.
Okay, cool.
So,
Thank you
are
very much.
you living on the street? How long you been without a place to go? Has it been that long?
Yeah.
Do you
But
stay?
they just now kicked me out.
Kicked you out? What happened?
They said I wasn't saving 60% of my income. The
Oh.
way I figured, my income is my business, no one else's.
Well, if you don't mind my...
I'm leaving the 15th or 16th anyway.
Well, where are you headed?
Texas.
Oh, you have family down there? Or?
My girlfriend inherited her father's house.
Oh. Okay. How's the food there, boys? Pretty good? How are you going to get to Texas?
Right.
Okay. All right. Well, hey, good luck to you guys.
When they come to that, so I get, a monthly paycheck. Like a lot of people,
Okay. Well, hey, remember, go to church on Sunday. It's always I like to sing in church.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see you later, buddy. Okay. How's the food, guys? Pretty good. Hey, don't thank me. Thank the big boy upstairs. Ding ding. Hey man, you doing all right? I'm sorry. You want something to eat? Want a dinner? You need a ride somewhere?
No. Where are we going?
Well, I don't know. I was just going to offer you a dinner if you want a dinner.
Yeah, sure. What do you got?
Well, this is a nice pork dinner. We got a nice pork there. We got some macaroni.
Right.
Does that look appealing?
No, we don't do that.
How about a Pop-Tart? They tuck in a Pop-Tart?
Yeah,
You should have 2 Pop-Tarts. And you know what? Hey, are you hungry, sir? You know what? How about a nice pork dinner there? Is that good to you?
As much as I can eat it.
Okay. All right. And how about a pop to wash it down with? And don't forget a Pop-Tart for dessert.
Yeah, let's do that.
You want it? And I'll tell you what is my final giveaway of the evening because I got to be going home. How about a nice big bag of fresh Doritos? Yeah. Can you 2 split that?
Yeah.
That's my favorite.
Okay. Hey, what's your name, please?
Rosalie.
Rosalie and David. Hey, good luck to you. If you see me around, wave me down. I'll give you a ride if I can, or if I can help you out. If I can help you out with some food. Does that sound copacetic?
Yeah.
Okay. That's my new word of the day, copacetic. So, okay. See you guys later. And there you have it, folks. As we say in the YouTube channel biz, that's a wrap. So what'd we do? Let's count it up there. I think we gave away about 13 nice either pork sausage or chicken dinners. Ding dang. We gave away a whole case of Coca-Cola, not Diet Pepsi, of course. And we gave away a bunch of Pop-Tarts, some nice fresh strawberries. Oh, that was fun. Who doesn't want a little fresh fruit? We also gave away, let's see some cookies, and of course the grand prize, the final giveaway of the evening was that big bag of Doritos. So hey, all these donations were made possible through the Vagrant's Valet support. The Vagrant's Valet viewers made all of this possible, being able to go out, help the homeless, supply some dinners this evening. And by and large, everybody that we gave dinners to and snacks to were grateful and gracious. That's always really nice to see. Now, the one guy, yeah, he got a little bit grabby with the Pop-Tarts, but hey, he was excited. And folks, that's certainly to be expected. So, hey, if you like the cut of my jib, go ahead, like, subscribe, leave me a comment. We had a lot of fun out on the streets. We got to meet a lot of new people, and hopefully we helped out the down and out. So we'll see you really soon. Ding, ding.